Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy Chris Designs, and I'm gonna be showing you how to pen flip. So basically, if you're a very beginner and you don't have like a right pen, I'd say a good thickness is like this, right? And you'd want grip. Like this pen doesn't have grip, but I'm gonna do it anyway. But like, yeah, so you'd want grip on your pen, and you probably won't want one of these things here, because it will affect you. So if you're a beginner and you've never done this before, it's just gonna be flipping with these fingers like this, which is just like these three fingers. Oh, okay then. So basically you would want to start off with this position, like as if you were writing, and then you'd flip like that, like as if you are doing this, right? You'd flip like that, and then you put this finger below, right? So then you can catch it like this, and then after that you just let go of this finger. It's gonna be holding with these two fingers. So then once you do that, you put this finger below like that, and then you just go over. So let's do it again. So basically you do this, and then you can just go around, and you can put some like wrist movement as well, which makes it look faster. So like that, and as you can see, it looks very fast now, but all you're doing is this. But if you do that, it just looks more faster. So the trick that I'm going to be showing today is this trick right here. And basically, some other people have done this trick before. It's not new. Basically, all you have to do is, you see right here, it's laying right here. So as if you were writing, but you're writing with this place here. So basically, all you have to do is flip like this. Like you put pressure, and then you make these two fingers go, and then flip, right? So you've done that. You're gonna practice doing it like this. Yeah, so basically once you've done that, you do that, and then you put this over your finger like that. So like that. Right, let me do that one again. And then you have to stop it with index finger. Yeah. So if you've learned this little trick right here, you can do this one, and then you can go back. So that's pretty much it for this video. If you want to do any more tricks, leave a comment down below, and I'll probably be showing you how to do like a thumb around, or a I don't know. I made this trick. I don't know if anybody else made this, but basically, yeah, it's like this. And also this trick here. So if you want to do any of those tricks, leave a comment down below. And I just failed, but I'm just gonna make you think that was planned. So anyway, yeah, if you wanna leave a like, you can do that. I don't mind. If you wanna subscribe, do that as well. Leave a comment if you have any questions. So yeah, see ya.